Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. Today I have a sublimation hack that I think you're going to love. I'm going to show you how to sublimate on dark cotton t-shirts using reversible sequin fabric. And for this project we're going to use dark cotton t-shirts. I ordered these t-shirts from blankstyle.com. Blank Style offers a huge variety of good quality t-shirts for all kinds of personalization. They offer cotton t-shirts, cotton polyester blends, polyester, and much more. I like that the delivery is super fast. I'm going to link them in the video description below. And to print the designs, I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank printer with sublimation ink. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. Sublimation paper. Reversible sequin fabric. I bought this one on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Permanent and double-sided heat and bond. Heat tape. Butcher paper. This is optional. Rulers to align the design. To transfer the designs, I'm going to be using my HTV Runt auto heat press machine. Remember to check the description below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. To work with the designs, I like to use the free graphic design program Inkscape. You can use any graphic design program to work with the sublimation designs. If you would like to try Inkscape, I invite you to download it from inkscape.org. On my YouTube channel, you can find a lot of tutorials of how to use Inkscape. Open the program. And first, we're going to adjust the size of the document we are going to be printing. Go to File, click on Document Properties, select Letter Size, and Orientation, I'm going to select Landscape, and close the window. Now we're going to insert the design. Go to File, click on Import, open the folder where you have your design, select it and open it. Here, click OK. This design is super big because it's been saved in high resolution. Select it, go to the size bar above, and instead of millimeter, change it to inches. Close the lock and change the measurements to your liking. If you would like to use these designs, I'm going to link them in the video description below. To print, go to File, click on Print, select the printer you're going to use, go all the way down and select More Settings, select the size of your document. I'm going to select Letter Size, Landscape. On paper type, I'm going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, I'm going to select High. If your printer has this option, click on Print Preview. Then go to More Options. And here is very important to select Mirror Mode, especially when you are printing text. Click OK, then Print. And this is a preview of how it's going to print. If everything looks okay, click on Print. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. And to transfer the designs, I'm going to be using my HTV Runt auto heat press machine. Now we're going to prepare the sequin fabric. I'm going to press the sequin fabric before transferring the design. I'm going to place a piece of butcher paper and I'm going to press it for 10 seconds only. Now we're going to place the design on top of the sequin fabric. I'm going to cut around. Then I'm going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. Let's see how it turned out. It's beautiful. I love how it's sublimated. So cute. Now we're going to place the heat and bond. Cut a piece of heat and bond and place it under the sequin fabric. The side that has the paper goes to the back. Place a clean piece of butcher paper on top and press it for 5 seconds only. Now we're going to cut around the design. The design is ready. Now we're going to transfer it to the cotton t-shirt. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using dark cotton t-shirt. This is 100% cotton. I get my t-shirts from blankstyle.com. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. Before placing the design, I'm going to press the t-shirt. I'm going to press it for like 10 seconds approximately. Now we're going to align the design. Peel off the paper on the back and align it on the t-shirt. Clean the area before placing the sequin fabric. You can clean the area using a lint roller. Then place a piece of butcher paper on top and we're going to press it for 10 seconds. And this is the final result. I think it's a great alternative to Sublimate on cotton t-shirts. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.